Hello!
Hi everyone, hope you guys are well, and in today's video, it's our 2 years anniversary for BAM Luxury Store. This is our own business where we sell luxury handbags, pre-loved mostly and sometimes brand new. And today we have quite a few to show you. Vincent is here today because he's going to present you also the bags and the accessories. So you know what to do. Thumbs up if you like this video, comment, share, and go on the website bamluxurystore.com. Everything will be now available. Well, Vincent, you are going to present us the first one.
First one.
Good choice. Well, let you present it.
Pochette Toilette 26 Louis Vuitton in, can say,
Canvas.
very, very good condition. Canvas is perfect. Corners are really, really nice. The leather parts are also really, really nice. And the interior is in almost perfect condition.
It's a very good one. Can I
very,
see it?
very good.
Oh yes, like let's show them here also. It's very light. It's insane. It's as new, like in
Almost. There's just a little stain, just here, and that's it. But maybe you can remove it. And the price is 550 euros. So it's in dollar. It's just here.
On my face. Okay, next one. I'll choose the one I want to show you now. Okay, Vincent, choose for me. Which one do you want me to show? Okay. So now I'm going to present you the small Collège Yves Saint Laurent bag. This is a very blue one. I think it's a Cassandre blue. No, I don't know. Well, this is a brand, very good condition. This is an amazing condition for this one. As you can see, the color is insane. Corners are great. Under the bag too. We have the handles that you can wear here for the bag. Or you could wear the bag also as a crossbody bag. So it's quite perfect. I'm going to show you now the inside. What's up? So the inside is very good. You have a little pocket here. Great condition for this one. And let me tell you the price just now. Price for this one is 975 euro. And we do also have the entry certificate for this bag. Everything that we show you now is available right now. We ship worldwide. International shipping with DHL Express. Normally you don't have customs to pay, but who knows? But we try our best to not have any customs for you. So enjoy your shopping. Next for Vincent.
Louis Vuitton papillon, I think it's 26. Yeah, I think 26. In really, really good condition. Corner are really nice. Canvas is also nice. There are a little bit scratch on the corner. Yeah. But not. The handle are really, really nice.
The leather, how is the leather?
The leather is nice. Just
you have some.
Maybe just here.
Yes.
The inside is in very, very good condition. I'll show you here.
Does it have any stain or?
No, no stain.
It's good.
It's good. And the price for this one is at 490 euros.
Nice. The hardware is just a little bit tarnished, but very, very little. Trace of wear,
the zipper
very
very
little.
Nice.
Yeah, it's a very good one. You have some trace of wear.
Just trace here.
But it's very little, honestly.
But yeah, very, very nice.
I love it.
Let's go for the next.
Next one, I'm gonna show you. Okay, this one, one of my favorites, and this is a very good investment bag. This is a Chanel classic flap. This one is a 23, I believe. Yes, it's a 23. This is a vintage gold plated. I'm gonna show you how we know this. Gold plated. You usually have a little sign here. Look at the quality and condition of the leather. This is gorgeous. Like this is insane for this one, and it's a vintage. I'm just gonna check like the year of the bag, and I'm gonna take the chains out of the bag. For this one, I do have a little card. So for this one, I do have a little authentication card, but otherwise, this is such a gorgeous bag. So you can wear the bag as like a double chain on the shoulder, or you can wear it, I'm gonna show you, as a crossbody bag. If you're not too tall. I love it. This is such a timeless one. This is called the double classic flap. The chain is actually in great condition. This for vintage, I'm quite shocked. I'm gonna show you now the inside. So the condition on the outside is very good. You have some little marks on the gold-plated hardware. Otherwise, inside now, I'm gonna show you. And this one is not a black one. This is a dark navy blue, but very, very dark. You have some little trace of wear, but obviously quite normal on this type of bag. And for the year of the bag, it's $89.91 for the year. Beautiful condition. We have the hologram and the little card. I also do have the entreprise certificate for this baby. And let me find again. So the price for this one is €4,190. You have a very, very little smell, but it's so tiny. And the condition is great for a classic flap. So here it is. Go on the website.
Next one. This is a Gucci full set with box. So I will just unboxing with you. Ta-da-da.
I love this one.
This one is Gucci pouch. It is a Gucci pouch flower in blue. And the reverse is in suede red. The condition is, I can say, as new, I think. When you open it, little bit stain inside, but the condition is perfect. With the blue flower, the other is perfect. This is a perfect pouch. Ta-da.
And the price?
And the price is at €440.
Next one, this one is the Ceéline luggage. You all know this bag. It's a very famous one, and I do love the color of this one. This is a tricolor bag, so you do have like some blue suede leather, a gray beige grained leather, and a black box leather. So you do have some little trace of wear on the black box leather, but almost nothing. This is a great handbag. I'll try to be here and show it to you. This is a perfect everyday bag, I have to admit. But now the bag is also in such a great condition, like the sides as well. And I noticed like, it's not a stain, but it has some little round. But yeah, I love the bag. The condition is so great. I'm gonna show you the inside. The inside of the bag, as you can see, is great. You have like a zipper pocket here. I do have some papers for the bag. You do also have little pockets here. It's a great condition, and price is €980. This is such a steal. This is a very good deal.
Next, this Ceéline pouch, little Ceéline pouch. I think it's the small one. In, I can say, very nice condition. Canvas is very nice. The corners are in perfect condition. Look, the hardware is very nice, and I just open for you. Inside is in perfect condition, and the price for this one is €195.
It's a very good price. Okay, next here, this is a Dior. So as you can see, I do have the dress bag, and look at this beautiful cutie bag. This one is a Dior oblique one. I love it. You have like a little handle if you want to wear the bag like this, or you do have also the strap if you want to wear it as a crossbody bag or on the shoulder. The strap for this one is adjustable, which is super useful. The bag is in a good condition, actually. It was used just a little bit, but otherwise very good. You have two zipper here. You can open it like this, and look, I just love it. You have like a little card that's just like from Dior saying like, thank you, we certify the bag, blah 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 blah. And the inside, you have very little trace of wear. Some cards, like, well, you can fit some cards here, but otherwise, it's a very good little handbag, and the price is €1,730. I will try on the screen to give you the USD price. Anyway, when you go on the website, you have the USD price. You can buy directly in your own currency, which is actually good. Let's go for the next one.
Next, keepall 45 macassar with strap. This is the perfect bag to travel. There's just the corner who are a little bit rubbed. I will show you. So this is the corner. Look, they are just the three corners were a little bit rubbed. The leather part are really nice. The strap is little bit used, but normal, I think I can say.
And adjustable.
Adjustable. there's a padlock, but we don't have the keys. Yeah, that's it. And the inside is in really, really nice condition. Let me show you here. And for the price for this baby, it's 1,650 euros. This is a perfect bag for travel.
And either for men or women. And this is a size that fits for a cabin bag inside a plane. So it's actually nice. You like this bag?
Yeah, I love it.
It's a macassar Louis Vuitton, so go get it. Next, I'm super excited. This is the first time I have a multi-pochette accessoire from Louis Vuitton. You've been asking so many times. I do have it. So this is a bag that I also own myself personally. This is a bag that you can wear like as a crossbody bag, but this is a multi-pochette. So you can also detach this pochette and wear it only with the little strap here. This is a beautiful bag. I'm going to show you the condition now. So the strap is beautiful. The strap is adjustable. Just here you can shorter or longer the strap, which is quite useful, I have to admit. Hardware is just a little bit tarnished. The leather is tanned, but naturally it's vachetta, so obviously it's like normal use of the bag. The canvas is great on the pochettes. I just love it. It's so cool as a bag. It's so useful. I'm going to show you the inside of the pochettes. So the first little one inside is in great condition. I'm going to show you the second one. The second one is bigger inside and great. And you also have another pochette inside. Plus you have like another pochette. This pochette can be for coins or even for airports. I believe it can fit. So the price now is very, very good. It's 1,859 euro. And for this one, I do have the dust bag for this bag. So go get it.
Next, we have this amazing Clémence long wallet, or long wallet, I don't know, in really, really nice condition. The canvas is perfect. The corners are in really, really good condition. The zipper, there are a little bit mark on the zipper, but nothing. Works very well. It's worked very well. The inside of the wallet is in perfect condition and it's purple. And the cone, there are just little mark on the cone part, but in really, really nice condition. And the price for this one is at 470 euros. So it's a perfect wallet to use every day.
Next, I have a vintage Chanel again, and this time, this is a beautiful beige Chanel. This is one of the first Chanel that they ever released. So I do have the dust bag. For this one, I also do have the entrepreneur certificate. So this one is from my family's friends. And I'm so excited I was able to sell for her bags collection. This is the last one available. This one is a beige one. The back of the bag has some little marks of wear, obviously. The leather is not as new. As you can see, this is a beige. Either you can retint it in beige, either you keep it like this or another color. So you can wear it as a bag on the shoulder. It's not a crossbody bag because back then women were not wearing the bag as a crossbody. The only thing about these ones, as you can see, this is the old closing, the old clasps, and it needs a fix. It needs to be fixed or changed directly, but otherwise, beautiful condition here. I didn't show you the corners. Corners actually are just a little bit rubbed, but for the condition and here the bag, it's quite great. It's a bag from the 80s, guys. So this is quite insane, actually, that it's such in a good condition. It has a very good inside, some little dust, but obviously this is a very good one. For this one, I do not have an hologram because it's one of the first bags released. But I, of course, do have our authenticity and the entrepreneur certificate, as always, for the Chanel bags. And the price will be so low. It's a 1,490 euro bag. It's insane. The price is such a steal for this type of bag. So go get it because it's a one-time offer only.
Next, a Gucci. We will unbox together, and this is a little Dyonisus. This is a little Dyonisus from Gucci in really, really nice condition. I can say almost brand new. There are little mark on the side here, but here the inside has little mark also. I could say
But almost nothing.
But almost nothing. You can wear in crossbody with a long chain, and also you can use like a bag charm for your Gucci bag or other bag as you want. It comes from paper, full set box, dust bag.
Nice.
And for the price is at 780 euros for this baby.
And let me try it to show you how it fits. Like one has a crossbody bag. This is a very cute mini bag. So I'm 161, so I'm quite short. But if you want to shorten the strap, you can go inside here, cross the chain inside, and voila, it makes you like a smaller chain, and it's better for me, like way better.
Voila.
Voila. So thank you so much for today's drop. This is our
2 years bag drop days.
Yes.
Thank you for the 2 years together, or for 1 year or 1 month.
Yeah, depends on
people.
Yeah, depends on when you join us, but we are super excited and super happy that you are in this amazing adventure with us. And we'll never say enough, but thank you so much. See you soon for another video.